Good evening, friends. It's been a while since I posted any videos. Been busy and kind of caught up with other stuff. But today here I am here today and showing you a similar project to my last bottle project. Uh, I've taken this wine bottle and painted it the shade. It's much lighter than this. It's looking dark in the video. All right, and on the face of it I've given another coat of a lighter shade and let it dry out well. And here we are with clay flowers. I made different flowers, different types of flowers. All right, some roses as well. Okay, and some leaves. And this is a different colored clay. Okay, we'll just have to stick these on the bottle and then paint it. Start painting the flowers and the leaves. All right, so let's get started. I've taken some white glue here. All right, and so let's get started. Apply this generously and we'll start sticking the leaves and the flowers. Here we go, friends. I'm done sticking the flowers and the leaves and deliberately left a gap here. Okay, and so let's allow this to set and then go ahead with the painting. All right, so let's do that. For now we'll let this be and allow it to dry. Here we go, friends. I've attached the flowers and leaves and colored it all with almost the same color, acrylic paint throughout, and it's dried well. Now let's embellish it a little bit and then let it dry, and we finish it off by giving it a coat of varnish. I'm using this varnish, acrylic high gloss varnish. Just one coat of it is good enough. All right, so here we go. Here again I'm taking acrylic white paint, just a pinch of it, and diluting it with water, little water. Okay, So that's it. Let's leave this for a while for it to dry up a bit, and then we'll embellish it further with the light coat of silver. All right, this is looking good now, right? Here again I've taken silver acrylic powder. All right, so let's give a light brush of the same. This is looking good. Here we go. We are done with this, and I don't think I will go ahead with the varnish, because what I've used here is silver powder. Probably if I apply varnish, and the silver powder might get wiped out, so I will not varnish this portion. Maybe the remaining of the bottle I will varnish and finish the project. All right, so hope you liked this, friends, and do let me know what you think about this, and do try it out yourselves and share your project with me too. Also, please subscribe. I don't see my subscription rate going up, and that is quite demotivating. If you like and appreciate my projects and want to try it out as well, then please do subscribe, please do share, and get other people, your friends and family as well, to subscribe. That is an incentive and motivation for anybody to do better in any field for that matter. Praise and compliments and appreciation, okay, that goes a long way to boost people. Okay, and I haven't been so motivated in the past few days because of this very same reason. All right, so please do subscribe, friends, and share. All right, thank you so much. Stay tuned for my next project. Hope to see my subscribers rate shoot up. All right, stay tuned. Thank you. Bye bye.